Hello and welcome back to my channel. Are you seeing my face for the first time? My name is Anne. And thank you so much for tuning in. Without wasting much of the time, into this lesson we'll be looking at les faux amis, false friends in French. Now when we say faux amis, what do we mean? Faux amis are simply words that are spelled similarly in two different languages but completely have different meanings, okay? So I'll be making a list of 10 of these faux amis in French and their meanings in English so we don't get confused or fooled when we hear them. But most times we mistake them for other things. Example, actuellement. As a beginner, you will feel actuellement means actually, but no, it doesn't mean actually, it means currently. So join me in this video where I make a list of 10 of these words and their English meanings. Keep watching. I'll see you at the end of this video. Let's go. 1. College. Now this sounds like college in English, but college in French means middle school and not a university. Exemple, mon frère est au collège. Il a 13 ans. 2. Actuellement. This doesn't mean actually in English. Rather, it means currently or at the moment. Example, actuellement, j'habite à Paris. Currently, I live in Paris. 3. Librairie. This does not mean library, but bookshop. Example, je vais à la librairie pour acheter un roman. I'm going to the bookshop to buy a novel. 4. Envie. Now, this practically sounds like envy, but no, it means desire. Example, j'ai envie de voyager. I want a long desire to travel. 5. Blessé. This obviously sounds like bless, but no, it means to hurt, to get injured, or to get wounded. Example, le joueur s'est blessé pendant le match. The player got injured during the match. 6. Journée. This sounds more like journey, but no, journée means a day. Example, bonne journée. Have a nice day. 7. Location. Now this is spelled exactly as location, but no, it doesn't mean location, but location means hiring or renting. Example, il est l'agent de location. He is the rental agent. 8. Deception. Deception has the same spelling as deception, but it doesn't mean lying or tricking. In this case, deception simply means disappointment in French. Example, c'était une grande déception pour moi. It was a big disappointment for me. 9. Coin. This is spelled as coin in English, but in French, coin means corner. Example, je m'assis au coin du feu. I'm sitting by the corner of the fire. 10. Pain. Now, this also has the same spelling as pain in English, but pain means bread in French. Example, elle mange du pain tous les jours. She eats bread every day. Yeah, thank you so much. If you've watched up to this moment, that means a lot to me. Now, you know 10 French false friends, okay? And so you don't get confused or tricked whenever you see them in a passage or you hear them from someone, okay? Now, if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like, share your thoughts in my comments section, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Au revoir.